Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any internal dusting. First, unplug your Dyson SV10 and lay it on a flat surface. Locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You'll see a panel secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, keeping them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the battery compartment cover with your flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Inside, you will see the battery secured by additional screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the battery, noting the orientation for reinstallation. Now, if you're replacing the battery, take the new one and align it in the same direction as the old one. Secure it with the screws you just removed. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. Next, close the battery compartment cover. Press it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Reinsert the screws to ensure the cover is tightly fastened. After this, take your clean cloth and wipe any dust from the exterior of the vacuum. This will help maintain its performance and appearance. If you are uncertain about any step or don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to assist you. You can also get a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Once everything is securely in place, plug in your Dyson SV10 and give it a test run. Make sure it's operating smoothly. If you notice any issues, remember, no calls, no travel is needed. We can handle it for you with our convenient service options. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson SV10 vacuum. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.